doing? It's Lee from Hermy's, back in my garage again. And hey, today we want to show some love to the Triumph guys. You know, a lot of guys are saying, Lee, you're only showing BMWs. Well, hey, if you're on two wheels, I got something in common with you. And today we're going to be going over my Street Triple. Now, I have a 2015 Street Triple R from Triumph. Great bike, super light, super small, but I did some cool accessories and put them on the bike to help personalize it, make it mine, and make it just a little bit better, you know, tweak things and make it a little bit better for me. So let's go over some of those and maybe give you some ideas for your bike. Starting at the front here, I did a set of Clearwater Erica lights for the headlights. Way more light than factory and gives it a cool LED look at the front. Next, I threw on some bar end mirrors. Help see a little better behind you. These are a direct accessory part right from Triumph. Now if you pan around here, you can even see the dimmer control here for the Clearwater lights. And right below it, I added the heated grips. Now here in Pennsylvania, things get a little chilly around here, and it sure is nice to have that as an accessory on your bike when it gets cold. Did a little bit of custom paint here and graphics work. If you know Street Triple Rs, you know that that piece right there is meant to be red. Same with the frame section here. Now I blacked it out. I think it looks really sharp with the matte paint on this bike. And had my friend Bill down at Lancaster Auto Graphics make a custom graphic to match the new black paint. Now some of the other things I added here, did shift assist, gives you clutchless upshifting. Really, really nice speed shift. You can go zipping through the gears like nothing. Around the back, also added a tail tidy kit. Now, wanted to keep this one nice and clean and neat, but still keep it legal. Noticed I used the turn signals that are mounted down here and keep them nice and spread out so I'm not getting pulled over. But it moves the license plate up, cleans the back end up really nicely. Now going down the other side of the bike here, you'll notice put on the Aero Exhaust. Now this triple motor sounds fantastic to begin with, but you throw Aero Exhaust on it, opens it up, gives you a little better sound and a little more power. Let's fire it up and take a listen. Another item I added was the tail cowl kit from Triumph. Nice painted piece, factory matched, and it's a really nice way of just finishing off the tail section on your bike. Well, that about wraps it up, and I hope this video gave you some cool ideas of maybe some items that you want to do on your bike. Now, if you want to do that, contact myself, Lee, Chuck and BMW parts, or Alex and Triumph parts, and we'll happily get you set up with the accessories that you need for your bike. Hope to see you out there riding, and once again, if you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. We'll keep on putting out content for you. Hope to see you out there riding.